Hey there, have you had a Google review or multiple Google reviews disappear or just never make it to your Google business profile? Well, today we're talking about what you can do about it. Hey there, I'm Lisa Suazo, your Marketing and Technology Director with West, here with today's Nerd Nugget, your bite-sized marketing technology tip that you can implement into your business today. Today we're talking all about how to get your missing but genuine Google review reinstated. Now, I have to give a huge shout out to Ranking Academy because it is their video on YouTube that showed me how to do this, and I'm basically going to tell you the exact same steps that they shared with me.
Well, hello, friend. So here is where I want you to go. Okay, so you want to go to the Google support forum for Google Business. So you're going to go to support.google.com/business. It's going to drop you here. Okay, so then from there, you're going to click the community tab right here. Then scroll down below these featured posts to where it says, not what you're looking for, try asking the help community. So you're going to click ask now. Then it's going to pull you into this form where you can ask Google's community of volunteer experts. So what I want you to do is in the question or in the title, go ahead and put something like missing reviews. And then in the details, you want to just really ask them, let them know that you have missing reviews and that you really, they're genuine, they're real reviews, and you really want to see if they can help get them reinstated for you. I do want you to list some specific details that'll help them to find. So one of the things is you want to add your business name, so your business profile. So I would say Google business name. And then over here, if you open a different tab, you can actually look for your business on search. So I'm going to go back up. So my business on search. So your business name is this right here. Copy and paste your business name. If you have a business address, add your business address. If you don't have a business address, that's okay. You don't have to add it, but it will help track it down if you do. And then so you can do your business on maps. This is another way that they can track it down, especially if you have the address. See where it has this little pin drop. If you click on that and you click on Google Maps, this is going to take you right to your Google business on Maps. So just copy that address from that URL. And then you can put that link. So that's going to get to your business. So they can find it on Maps. They can find it on search. For the missing reviews, let them know the number of missing reviews you believe to have. Let them know the dates of when the reviews were submitted. And if you don't have the exact dates, even just like a time period, it was the first week of March or something like that. Also, if you can put in the client, the user who is trying to leave it for you. And also, if they have a picture of the review, that would be something helpful to include too, like a screenshot or an image. Oftentimes, so say for example, if you had a client, Judy Smith, who said that they posted a review for you, when Judy Smith logs into her Google account, she can oftentimes see that review that was posted, whereas you can't. So have your client take a screenshot or capture an image, and then if they send it to you, you can either include it as an attachment or insert the image here. So that'll also help them to identify that review. Under category, you want to select policies and guidelines. Next step, you want to bypass all of these knowledge-based articles because we don't want to go that route. So you're going to click the blue next step button. Under platform for step 3, you're going to select web, then click next step. Go ahead and confirm and post. You want to get the email when someone responds to your request. So go ahead and click the blue post button. And what this is going to do is it's going to submit it to their community. So as long as you ask and let them know you want to get that review reinstated, they can oftentimes share the information to help you make that happen.
So please know that the people who are manning these community pages are volunteers. Yes, they are experts, but they're not employed by Google. They're literally volunteering their time. So please be nice to them. Don't get frustrated with them. But I do hope that this will be helpful for you to get your review reinstated. So I want to ask you, has this process helped you? I would love to know. What was it like? Was it challenging? Did you get a great response? And were you ultimately able to get that review reinstated? please let me know in the comments or feel free to reach out to me directly. If you have other questions about Google Business Profile, your reviews, missing reviews, reinstating reviews, I'm always happy to be a resource. So again, please reach out to me directly. And other than that, thank you as always for watching. We'll see you next time.